Hello, my group is here to discuss about deadlines, applications, and examples of embedded systems. What is an embedded system? An embedded system is a computer system with a dedicated function within larger mechanical or electrical systems, often called real-time computing constraints. These embedded systems often based on microcontrollers, that is a CPU with integrated memory or peripheral interface, whose complexity may vary from low to highly complex, that is, with a single microcontroller chip to a large number of multiple units. Moving forward to applications of embedded system. Embedded system finds a large number of applications in day-to-day life, varying from the remote control used in a home to the projector used in a class. And these applications are in medical systems, office equipments, tools, banking, and transportation sector. For example, the pacemaker, the intensive care unit, the injection system, and the patient monitoring system all use embedded systems. Office equipments like printers, copier, fax, tools in our laboratories like multimeter, oscilloscope, GPS, and most commonly observed, the ATMs are the real-time operating systems. Moving forward, radars, signal systems are also applications of embedded systems. Automobile sector has not lacked in this field. Nowadays, commonly used applications are car alarm, the immobilizer, the airbag, the cruise controller, engine management, etc. Even building systems use embedded systems, for example, elevator, locks, alarm systems, heater, air conditioner, etc. Nowadays, home automation is very popular. Home automation is done by using an embedded system, which is of course based on a microcontroller. Even agriculture sector has not lacked in this field. Examples are feeding systems, milking systems, etc. And not to forget, the satellite systems which are revolving around the Earth continuously feed data to the Earth systems. They use highly complex embedded systems. Proceeding, what is a deadline and the types of deadline? Deadline is a word which is commonly used in a day-to-day life. But what is it? It is something which has to be met before the lapse of time. Otherwise, the result is catastrophic. These are of two types, hard and soft deadlines. In case of hard deadlines, the penalty due to missing deadline is of higher order of magnitude than the reward in meeting the deadline missing. The soft deadline is reverse and exactly contrary to hard deadlines. We'll discuss them in detail. Hard deadline. Hard real-time deadline means strict adherence to each task deadline. When an event occurs, it should be serviced within a predictable time. Otherwise, the result is catastrophic. For example, failure of the brake system of any car may lead to an accident. Examples are the car engine, as I've discussed before, especially in medical systems, as the heart pacemaker. Now, pacemakers are used to control the pumping capacity of heart, and any missing deadline in this case may lead to death of the patient. Avionics systems also use complex embedded systems. Here also, the deadlines have to be met before the predictable time. Soft deadlines are typically used if there is some issue of concurrent access. And in this case, even if the deadline is missed, the result may not be catastrophic. For example, a software that maintains and updates the flight plans for commercial airliners has a database, and it must be kept concurrent. But in case violation of constraints is there, this may result in degraded quality, but the system will still continue to operate. Therefore, there can be few deviations between the expected latencies and the observed time constraints. The examples are mobile phones, digital cameras, live audio video systems, etc. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Thank you for your